Yeah, welcome back to our next course for today. Now we shall be talking about how to add a video to a blog post. Now, how to add a video to a blog post. Now you can add different kinds of video, either a live video or a stored video in your on your laptop or a copied or embedded video online. All this can be done quite easily. So now this is how we go about it. Now let us create a new post. Now instead of me going back to my previous to the dashboard because I just did a preview of what I just did as a post. Now I will just come down to this plus sign. Remember I said whenever you see the plus sign, it's an indicator for you to add either a content, a blog, or a post or a page or media or user. So now for this particular thing I'm about to do, I'm going to add a post. So clicking on this post right now, it takes me to the workspace area. So now let me give this one trend latest video. That's the title, and I come down to either this plus sign here or this plus sign here. Now you notice there are two plus signs here. Now any of these two can do the job. So now let me work with a smaller plus sign, and I decide to. It brings me out a selection of uh, blocks to use. Now let me click on browse all. Now you see you have your paragraph, heading, list, quote, classic, of formatted, pull quotes, table, verse, etc. etc. But what we're actually looking for here is the video. So now all you have to do is just to click on this video and it automatically comes in here. So now this is the simple trick about this now. Now from what you've just done right now, you notice that you have the upload, you have the media library, and you have the insert URL. Let me quickly explain this because I might not have the luxury of the time to do the whole of the practicals on this particular video section. Now, when you talk about upload, it means that you are trying to drag in video from your PC down here. So now I've clicked on this upload right now. It takes me directly to my PC. So now I'm going to close this down. Now we talk about media library. Now if you click on media library, it means that remember last time we did adding of media files to our website. When you click on media library, it takes you to where all the media files are. Is that okay? So now coming back here on for this particular uh, uh, course, I would like to add a video from YouTube or online or any of these videos online. But most preferably, I have already set up my YouTube here. So what I do, I just click on insert from URL. Now, when you click on insert from URL, it tells you paste or type the URL. So what I do, I go to YouTube, search for the video, and I decide to look for something that explains the latest trend of video that I want. Now I come down here, click on okay, this guy actually looks good in this photo. So let me copy this link and paste it over here to get my now after you've done this, you pasted the link, you click on apply. Now, the arrow that seems like a semicircle, now you click on it to apply, and automatically that video is being embedded into your post. Now, watch carefully. Now, you see you didn't download this video, but yet it's been inserted in there. So now, let me come to take that with the full screen mode so that I can get the rest of my features. Now, come down to your post. Remember, whenever you add a block or a new block, it takes you to how to set up the block. Now, this video was embedded, resized to smaller devices. That is, whenever you're using a phone to view this particular post, it's resized to fit into the phone. So now, let me come back to the post. Remember, we said something. If this is the latest video or a trending video, then please stick to the top of the top. Now I've done that. I decide cover template or full width template. Me to go with full width template. Permalink just automatically set categories. Now I decide to select a category and I decide to put social or let me use now. Remember I said we're going to arrange all our categories into a menu section, right? So now come down to tags. Let me use funny video, comedy, dance, little boy. those are the tags I want to use. And come down to featured image. Let me look for featured image of a boy, funny boy image. And so while it's still searching, so what I do, let me easily just select any of my images I have down here on the PC and decide to use it. Okay, oh, these are talking about this fish. Now, I'm not trying to classify the boy as a fish, but I just love this fish's image so well. So now I'm done with this and I decide to publish and publish. Now, when this is done, you can decide to view post. Now I clicked on view post. Notice featured image tells more about your images, more about your post. Now, whatever image you're using as a featured image should give a full expression of what your post is about. So now let me scroll down if I can find my video. And wow, the video is here. So I decided to play this video now. So this is how you can decide to make it section.